Okay, folks, the power just came back on. Have a look. 160 metres got plenty of power, plenty of noise. Even my mate there. A little bit of noise there. 80 metres. CS5 already, without even trying. The AM boys have probably gone to bed. Nothing's changed, none of the settings have changed. See, 40 metres CW, and there's, and look at 40 metres normal, almost S9, 2 preamps on. Chock-a-block, unbelievable. Nothing here. Look at that, it was nothing before. Beautiful, isn't that thrilling? Right, 7.3 everyone, that's it. Difference is to when the power's out and when the power's on. All the QRM that's man-made, it's his, it's ruining our hobby, but nothing we can do about it. The only thing you can do is go around and hunt around in your property, turn off the power at the mains, and see what local QRM you've got that you're causing, and you'd be surprised how much there is. Right, 7.3 from Steve, VK3, KTT.